Hello YouTube, Joe here. Today we will talk block planes and how I can make yours almost feel like it's electric, and I mean it. Now this will have nothing to do with the fact that the blade is sharp, although it should be obviously. This is a whole new twist on the game. Years ago I had told somebody that I could do this and they gave me their block plane. I did the process to it, gave it back to them, and I waited to hear what they had to say when they came back to work the next weekend. And I'm here to tell you, this was my boss I did this for, and the man came unglued. He said he'd been using a block plane for over 40 years, and now all of a sudden it feels like it's electric. Okay, this man was impressed. And I bet you could see with these shavings here what I'm talking about. I'll bet most of you can't see reflection in the bottom of your plane like this. That's the key. What you need to do, disassemble your plane. That's unlocking this, pulling it backwards, pulling out your blade, and the shoe needs to literally be sanded down. Now mine, you can see it's got a lot of grooves from the factory still in it, but here there aren't any, here there aren't any, and up here there are a few. So it's okay that we see a little bit of fluctuation in there, as long as you get some of it polished nice. You don't have to have all of it perfect. Although if you did, it would probably be even better. But I find it's a serious task. Here's the deal. Start with something fairly coarse, like a 220. You're going to need a very ultra smooth surface to do this on, because after all, this is a block plane. This needs to remain perfectly flat, obviously. So a bench top probably isn't as good as what you'd like to be. You'd like to do it like on the top of a cast surface, like a table saw or something. Get yourself a piece of sandpaper, get it taped down and at the ends, and begin the game. Progressively get higher, higher, higher until you probably are going to end up around 600. Then polish it with some mothers. And I'm here to tell you, people, I'm not kidding you. You will wish you had done this from day one. It becomes a new tool. It is so different from anything you used before. The smile will be wrapped all the way around your head. And I truly mean this. You guys let me know what you think. I'm dying to hear from your results. Take care.